The VDW double head drilling system was developed by BAUER during the 1970s. Since then, the technique has spread throughout the foundation construction industry, offering a wide range of applications. This technique is primarily used for vibration-free installation of bored pile retaining walls for deep excavations immediately adjacent to existing buildings. The leader rigs of the RG series are ideal base machines for the double head drilling because of their versatility and high-powered system. Advantages of double head drilling systems include high directional accuracy of bore, even deployment in extremely restricted site conditions, cost-effective process, particularly when the piled wall is utilized for structural load transfer from the completed building. Cost-competitive process, an alternative to conventional underpinning techniques. Rapid construction process, application in a wide range of soil types, low noise and low vibration process. Construction sequence. During the drilling process, a long outer casing tube and an inner continuous flight auger are rotated concurrently in opposite directions by two independent rotary drives. The continuous flight auger, which is rotated clockwise by the upper rotary drive, and the drill casing, which is rotated counterclockwise by the lower rotary drive, is drilled down to the terminal depth in a single operation. The drill spoil is conveyed upward by the auger flights and ejected through the apertures in the casing drive adapter. A crowd unit attached to the rotary head facilitates a vertical movement of the continuous flight auger around 300 millimeters relative to the casing tube. This relative movement enables the drilling process to be adjusted to cope with the varying ground conditions. To reduce the risk of base failure, or to cut into the primary piles of a pile wall, the drill casing is generally advanced ahead of the auger, whereas in dense soil formations, drilling can also be carried out with the continuous flight auger being advanced ahead of the casing tube. After having attained the terminal depth, concrete is pumped through the hollowed stem of the auger as the drill string is simultaneously withdrawn. The drill string is also known as the auger in the drill casing unit. Reinforcing elements in the form of a prefabricated steel cage or a universal beam can subsequently be inserted into the fresh concrete. The size of the reinforcing member depends on the structural design. Quality assurance. An electronic monitoring and control system, known as B-Tronic, is installed in all RTG rigs to produce a quality assurance report for the completed piles. This data acquisition system monitors and controls all drilling operations and the hydraulic system. The production data captured is drilling depth, speed of penetration and extraction, rotational speed, torque, concrete pressure, and volume are continuously acquired, visualized, and stored. The data can also be used to produce a pile report for documentation purposes.